Mitsubishi North America has announced its first ever dedicated off-highway styling and equipment package for the 2025 Outlander SUV. Introducing the Outlander Trail Edition. Built on the SE trim line, the Trail Edition comes standard with Mitsubishi's SAWC system. On the outside, black Trail Edition hood decals in a matte and gloss blend, a black hood garnish, a dedicated rear badge, black front and rear skid bumper garnish, side protector trim, extended fender flares, black mirror caps and door handles, a blacked-out dynamic shield grille, and black roof and window trim. For the first time on an Outlander, 18-inch black basket weave wheels, unique to this model. Inside, custom all-weather floor mats in every seating position, plus a dedicated cargo area mat with the Trail Edition logo, designed to keep things clean while giving easy access to the Outlander's segment-exclusive third row. Personalization options include Cooper Discoverer Road+Trail AT tires, a mountain-themed body-side graphic, and a Thule Caprock flat rack roof rack. Plus Thule accessories for canoes, paddleboards, fishing gear, awnings, and multiple hitch-mounted bike rack styles.